Guys, we are starting to see some more red in the market. People are fearing a potential bear market. Is Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, are they going to crash further? Well, in this video, I'm going to be telling you exactly what is happening and where we are headed next. I have some extremely important information that you cannot miss. So make sure you stay for this entire video. You cannot miss anything that I have for you today. What's up, Miles? Ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos that I make every single day about cryptocurrencies. Also, if you want to get access to the most profitable trading community on all of YouTube, join my Patreon for only $10 a month, where I put my buy and sell alerts on there. Also, my hidden updates into the entire crypto market to let you know when to sell, when things are getting bearish, when things are bullish, what's happening behind the scenes. I also have other services where you can talk to me on the phone, that we can go over your current portfolio, see what things we need to move around so you can be in the best position set up in this bull run. And also, if you love cryptocurrencies, go ahead and smash up the like button and blow up the comment section and let me know in the comments below, guys, what are you doing right here? What are you guys thinking about this whole crypto market as we are starting to see a lot of red? We're gonna go ahead and dive straight into the content right now, but don't forget to get your 2 free stocks from WEBULL worth up to $2,300. All you have to do is deposit 1 penny with my link below, and they will send you 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300, which you can sell and buy Dogecoin or Shiba Inu with, or other cryptos, or send to your bank account. So overall, we are seeing the crypto market down a little bit. Bitcoin is down 2%. We have Ethereum down 4%. Binance Coin down 3%. Solana surprisingly continuing to go up, guys. And we are starting to see a pattern here. A lot of these platforms like Solana, like Cardano, they're going up while the market is going down. This is very interesting to see. Cardano, guys, is up 10% today. It's very interesting to see that. Most cryptocurrencies are down just a little bit. Even Terra is continuing to go up, still up 50% in the last 7 days. We have Polygon pumping. We have Uniswap continuing to go up and up. So the whole market is kind of mixed, but I wouldn't say there is a crash. No, there's just a little bit of a dip. Guys, there's some volatility with all of the news that we are hearing about new strains and just a bunch of FUD everywhere, which always happens in the most bullish of times, because there are people out there, there are big whales and institutions that do not want your cryptocurrencies to go up. No, they do not like cryptocurrencies, and they want them to crash and to go to zero. Because cryptocurrencies affect their business, cryptocurrencies do. When cryptocurrencies are being adopted, when cryptocurrencies go up, that affects a lot of other businesses that do not like cryptocurrencies. They want the dollar, they want their currencies, their banks to reign supreme, but cryptocurrencies are here to overcome traditional finance. So I do have some very good news, guys. Despite all the FUD, all of these articles, all of this information that I am going to show you is still extremely bullish. Yes, not just bullish, extremely bullish. Just absolutely gonna blow your mind. So Ethereum is about to go parabolic against Bitcoin as an analyst weighs on the BTC bear case. So what we are seeing, guys, is the market is still bullish. But what we are seeing is, as many people have been calling out, is that Ethereum is going to most likely overtake Bitcoin by market cap, which means that Ethereum, while Bitcoin continues to go down, at some point will continue to go up and break all-time highs. Not only will Ethereum continue to do that, but Ethereum will continue to gain on Bitcoin over and over again, as we see Ethereum always outperform Bitcoin. That's why Ethereum is one of my biggest holdings. That's why I love Ethereum. But this article is saying, guys, that Ethereum is potentially about to have a massive explosion where it is going to be taking off like crazy, especially against Bitcoin. What do you guys think about that? But let me, guys, go ahead and show you what's actually happening with the crypto market. So right here, this bottom line, guys, this is called the VIX, which is a volatility index. And this is a stock basically on the stock market, which goes up and down based on the volatility of the stock market and things that are happening in economies, not only in the US, but in the world. So things that happen around the world affect, certainly, the volatility index. So what's actually happening, guys, is every time there's some massive FUD coming out, the volatility index spikes up. So we have a whole bunch of things, a whole bunch of events that has caused the volatility to go up. And a lot of times, guys, when the volatility goes up, we do have bottoms where, yes, it pushes the prices down It does push the prices down significantly, little dips or maybe small corrections or crashes every time the volatility index spikes, but right afterwards follows a huge spike in the crypto market. So we are getting a massive spike in the volatility index. We are also seeing a bottom on the crypto market. And this, guys, might actually be signaling that we are near a bottom and that the crypto market is going to take off. Guys, this continues to repeat over and over again. Every time it spikes, guys, there's massive spikes in the price of cryptocurrency. So guys, get ready because things could take off much faster than you think. Now moving on, I'm showing you guys the previous bull runs for cryptocurrencies. We have 2013, we have 2017, and we have now 2021. Guys, these bull markets continue to repeat and move just the same exact ways, guys. And what we are seeing, as we have seen previously in the other bull runs, is that we are in that dip period right here, as we see on the left side of 2013. We are just at that dip. If we take a look at 2021 and compare all of them, guys, we are at the dip before there was massive explosions, guys, in the bull markets for cryptocurrencies, guys. We are just setting up all these indicators. While there is FUD, guys, while there is fear, are showing you that things are about to take off and that we should not be worried. We should not be concerned for our cryptocurrencies, but just the opposite. We should be getting greedy. But remember, none of this information in this video is financial advice. So moving on, guys, we are also seeing a MACD cross, a very bullish MACD cross for cryptocurrencies, and also in the RSI is letting us know that we are potentially about to get a really big bounce. The same just a couple of months ago when we had the same bounce in the RSI and the MACD, guys, there was a pretty significant pump which brought us to the all-time highs for cryptocurrencies. So guys, we are about to bounce up here, guys. I believe we are about to have a massive explosion in the price of cryptocurrencies. So we've taken a look at the crypto market. I'm showing you what exactly is happening behind the scenes while there's all this FUD and talk of bear markets. And yes, right now cryptocurrencies are having a bit of a dip, guys, but it is not the end of the world. So we're first going to start off with Ethereum. So Ethereum from the top just the other day, as we have seen a little bit of a dip, is only down 10%. Guys, it's only down 10%. We see cryptocurrencies pump 20 or 30% in a day. 10% is nothing to be worried about. If we go down 30%, 40%, 50%, that's when we need to have a conversation. But 5%, 2% dips, 10% dips, guys, it is not the end of the world. Go ahead and do yourself a favor and zoom out if you think it is the end of the world. Taking a look at Shiba Inu, guys, I'm still fine and still happy with Shiba Inu. We did create a higher low. That's what we did. So we have our bottom here, we have a high, and then this low here has not come all the way down. It's still holding up pretty strong, guys. So I'm not concerned about Shiba Inu. We could, of course, come down again, just like I mentioned the last couple of days, then get another bounce. But guys, I'm really not worried at all with these cryptos. They could go down, yes, like I said, a little bit of a dip, but guys, we are still very bullish. Things are still looking quite healthy. Now, a lot of the metaverse cryptos are taking a pretty bit of a dip. So we have Sandbox down 30%, guys, down 30% from the high. And it's looking like we might be getting a buying opportunity for Sandbox. A lot of us have been waiting for buying opportunities for Sandbox and some of these metaverse cryptocurrencies. Also, Dogecoin coming down potentially to that level of support, just like Shiba Inu. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are moving just about the same. So I'm still not worried about Dogecoin. It's looking like we might get a bounce off of this level of support. If we don't, we could come down a little bit further, but that is not very likely at this moment. I'm thinking we could get a little bit of a dip, continue this dip before bouncing off, and we could start to see some green, guys, because this FUD keeps pushing us back and back and back. We might see green again on Sunday this weekend, maybe today, we don't know. But hopefully next week will be a green week. This week should have been very, very green, very bullish. But guys, the FUD came out, the new strain, and that's what happens. That's what happens. It pushes us back. So overall, guys, the whole market is very bullish behind the scenes. The news, the media, they are putting fear and panic into everyone's eyes because they want you to sell. They want to manipulate you. A lot of these big banks, they control the media. So they put out the images, they put out the information that they want you to believe, the emotions that they want you to experience so that you can react according to how they want you to. Overall, I'm still bullish. People who are here in crypto for a long time, we are long term. We are not concerned. We are not worried, but we are buying the dips. And if you want to be able to get some of these really good cryptos before they take off, make sure you join that Patreon where we do give buy alerts and cryptocurrencies way before they take off. And you can even talk to me every day. I do answer all of my messages there every single day. And if you got something out of this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate the love and support. And I will see you all later.